Let me show you how to hide likes you have made on Instagram Reels and posts. This feature is enabled by default, but if you don't want others to see what you have liked, you can easily turn it off. Open the Instagram app and head to the Reels tab. You will notice a Friends section where you can view Reels your friends have liked. Like this one. I like this friend. If you want to prevent people from seeing the reels you have liked, you will need to change a setting. Go to your settings and depending on your app version, you should see an option that lets you control who can view your liked reels. Look for the Activity in Friends tab section where you will find who can see your likes, comments, and reels in the Friends tab. Change this setting from followers you follow back to no one. If you don't see the option, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version through the App Store or Google Play Store.